Amazon reportedly delaying updated Alexa over incorrect answers. Amazon is reportedly pushing back the release of its updated Alexa, part of a string of delays for the virtual assistant, while the company still plans to publicly unveil the new version of Alexa on February 26, a report Friday.
Top Wall Street analysts are optimistic about the potential of these three stocks. TipRanks' analyst ranking service reveals three stocks favored by Wall Street, including Pinterest and Amazon.
Which is the better stock to buy and hold forever? Amazon or Costco? You couldn't have gone wrong buying shares of Amazon, AMZN minus 0.73%, or Costco Wholesale, cost minus 0.47%, in the two companies' early days. As $10,000 investment in Costco when the giant wholesaler went public in 1985 would be worth almost $11.9 million today.
What analysts think of Walmart stock ahead of earnings. Walmart is set to report earnings for the fourth quarter of fiscal 2025 on Thursday morning, with analysts expecting rising sales and profits from the country's biggest retailer.
Coca-Cola, Home Depot, and Walmart among 10 companies to announce dividend increases in second half of February. This is my latest article where I provide predictions of upcoming dividend increases from companies with long-term dividend growth histories. After a busy early February, the pace of dividend increases slowed down as we moved into the latter half of the month, with only 10 companies boosting their annual dividend. But included in that number are several significant companies, including
Walmart earnings preview. Alternative revenue streams and e-commerce will eventually boost margins. Walmart reports their fiscal Q4 25 financial results before the opening bell on February 20, 2025. Consensus expectations are for 53 cents in EPS, $180.2 billion in revenue, and $6.8 billion in operating income, for expected YOY growth of -12%, +4%, and -6% respectively. Walmart's price to sales has traded below 1x for 89 straight quarters, and it's only been the last 2 quarters that price to sale.
Levi Korsinsky notifies Crocs, Inc., investors of a class action lawsuit and upcoming deadline. CROX, New York, New York, ACCSS Newswire, February 17, 2025. If you suffered a loss on your Crocs, Inc., Nasdaq's QLX investment and want to learn about a potential recovery under the federal securities laws, follow the link below for more information. https://zlk.com/plr-1/crocs-inc-lawsuit-submission-form ? PRID equals 129953 and wire equals 1, or contact Joseph E. Levi, Esquire.
Shareholders that lost money on Crocs, Inc. should contact Levi and Korsinsky about pending class action. CROX, New York, New York, Access Newswire, February 16, 2025. If you suffered a loss on your Crocs, Inc. Nasdaq CROX investment and want to learn about a potential recovery under the federal securities laws, follow the link below for more information. https://zlk.com/plera-1/crocs-inc-lawsuit-submission-form ? PRID equals 129947 and wire equals 1, or contact Joseph E. Levi, Esquire.
Lead plaintiff deadline approaching. Kessler, Topaz, Meltzer, and Czech LLP announces deadline in securities fraud class action lawsuit filed against Crocs, Inc. Radnor Peño, February 16, 2025. Globe Newswire. The law firm of Kessler, Topaz, Meltzer, and Czech LLP informs investors that the firm has filed a securities fraud class action lawsuit against Crocs, Inc., Nasdaq, Crocs, or the company, on behalf of investors who purchased or otherwise acquired Crocs common stock between November 3, 20.
Meta Platforms and Google just shared. Fantastic news for Broadcom investors. Big Tech is planning a massive spending spree in 2025. 4 of the largest tech companies in the world are targeting a combined $320 billion in capital expenditures, CapEx, this year. And most of that spending will go toward building and refreshing artificial intelligence, AI, data centers, for training and using generative AI.
Broadcom, TSMC deals that would split storied chipmaker Intel. Report Broadcom has been closely examining Intel's chip design and marketing business, while TSMC has studied controlling some or all of Intel's chip plants, possibly as part of an investor consortium or other structure, the WSJ said.
Broadcom, TSMC, reportedly exploring deals that would split up Intel. Broadcom and Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, TSMC, are separately exploring deals to take over parts of Intel, according to a report in the Wall Street Journal.
Shareholders that lost money on Applied Therapeutics, Inc., APLT, should contact Levi and Korsinsky about pending class action, APLT New York, New York, Access Newswire, February 16, 2025. If you suffered a loss on your Applied Therapeutics, Inc., NASDAQ, APLT, investment, and want to learn about a potential recovery under the federal securities laws, follow the link below for more information. https://zlk.com/plk.com/applied-therapeutics-inc-lawsuit-submission-form ? PRID equals 129938 and wire equals 1 or contact Joseph.
APLT deadline in 2 days. Kessler, Topaz, Meltzer, and Czech, LLP reminds Applied Therapeutics, Inc., APLT, investors of filing deadline in class action lawsuit Radnor, February 16, 2025. PR Newswire. The law firm of Kessler, Topaz, Meltzer, and Czech, LLP, www.ktmc.com, informs investors that a securities class action lawsuit has been filed in the United States District Court for the Southern District of New York against Applied Therapeutics, Inc., Applied Therapeutics, NASDAQ Q, APLT, on behalf of T.
Investors who lost money on Applied Therapeutics, Inc., APLT, should contact Levi and Korsinsky about pending class action, APLT New York, New York, Access Newswire, February 16, 2025. If you suffered a loss on your Applied Therapeutics, Inc., NASDAQ, APLT, investment, and want to learn about a potential recovery under the federal securities laws, follow the link below for more information. https://zlk.com/plr-1/applied-therapeutics-inc-lawsuit-submission-form ? PRID equals 129911 and wire equals 1 or contact Joseph E.